Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing cleaning. I want to get a bunch of stuff done, especially in my bedroom. It's gotten out of control again. Got a lot of stuff to just organize and put away. Got my little pile going on over there. Got some random stuff hanging out. Closet is closeting. I have been very lazy. And then the bathroom too, I just got a little bit of stuff that needs to get put away. I'm not gonna focus on the shower. I'll probably just like tidy up around it. Then I did some decluttering and I need to list some of these items on Poshmark is what I typically like to do. And then I'll bring you over to my laundry room. I've been trying to get at least a load done a day, but I do have a couple of bins that I need to get moving. Some laundry that I need to put away. These I like. So I had this big bin that was just nasty. I wish this was a little bigger, but I was trying to find a couple of bins that could fit under here. So this is where I'm keeping like my cleaning rags and then all my white towels that I like to clean separately and bleach. And then maybe if I have time, I will tidy up in here. Funny because I just cleaned in here, but I have some like stuff for Christmas going on. And I just need to obviously put all of this stuff away. I get ready in here sometimes. I do a little filming in here, so I need to do that. And then my son's room, I just need to put clothes away and just tidy up in here a bit. So let's get it going. A good portion of this video is going to be me putting away clothes that I've just let pile up and I've just tossed on my floor and on my closet floor for like weeks at a time because I'm too lazy to put my clothes away when they first come out of the dryer. So I'm binge watching the show on Netflix. It's called No Good Deed. It's with Lisa Kudrow. It's pretty good. It's like a dark comedy. So these families are competing to buy her house. The house has some like dark secrets in it, so it's a little bit of a nightmare. But it's always nice to run upstairs and fold laundry or like get some things done while you're watching the show. Get a little bit of alone time away from people. If you know, you know. And at this point during cleaning, here's when I get annoyed with myself because I'm like, why did you not just put the laundry away when it was done? Why did you let everything just pile up? This is taking forever. That's like 100% my toxic trait. So this is the stack of clothes that I had just decluttered and I'm going to be listing over on Poshmark. And my system when I clean my bedroom is pretty much always the same. It's tidy up the bed, whether I need to make it, like if I'm changing the sheets, then it's put all the clothes away, and then I move on to cleaning all of the clutter off the furniture, like all that crap that you see there. Then dusting, then I finish up with like vacuuming. So that's pretty much always my go-to. I feel like it flows pretty fast that way. And when I make these videos, I do get a lot of questions about the bins under the bed, so I will link them down below. If you are short on space, you will love them. Doing a quick declutter of my nightstand. I don't know how crap just stacks up in there. I think other people are putting stuff in there. I don't really know what's going on, but I always like to do like a quick once over and just make sure there's not garbage and decluttering and that kind of stuff. Here's a tip. If you have a lot of plants or little knickknack, tchotchkes, whatever, decor like that, use a blow dryer. Like, just go outside or put it out the window or whatever you got to do with the blow dryer, and it will get rid of all the dust. Does anyone really love dusting? I'm genuinely curious. Let me know down below in the comments if it's something that you don't mind doing or that you love doing. If I could pay someone to do one chore, it would definitely be dusting. This vacuum is in my top 3 purchases of 2024, I would say. I am so happy I finally made an upgrade. I had the V8 Animal, the Dyson stick, same thing, for probably, I would say it lasted me 7 years. I do still have it, but it's really falling apart. What a game changer this is. The charge lasts days, literally. The little canister holds so much more dust. The power is way better. I am so happy with the purchase. I think I got it for like 100 off, so definitely wait until there's a sale. It is expensive, but in my opinion, well worth the investment. So I did 2 loads of laundry today, which is good. I feel like if I at least do 1 a day, but I shoot for 2 a day, I'm pretty good and I don't get behind. Moving on to my son's room, I'm going to put all the clothes away, just speed through it, and then I'm also going to go through his clothes. It's been probably 6 months, and I'm going to declutter the stuff that doesn't fit him anymore and set it aside, just get it out of here, make some room for new stuff that came in from Christmas. So I just ended up decluttering because I was tired of looking at too much stuff. Found some snow boots and some 4T stuff that he's grown out of, so I'll be getting rid of that. Now I have a lot more hangers. I didn't have any hangers, so it'll be good like right before Christmas to kind of weed things out. Finally getting around to cleaning this up. Let me just tell you, this palette, I just got it. It's the Born This Way palette. I've been using this nonstop. So many different looks that you can do with it. Highly recommend. Really good. So this is where I get ready. Sometimes I film videos here, so I just have a lot of my stuff that needs to get moved back in the bathroom. I need to clean my makeup brushes. I'll probably do it another day if I'm honest with you, because this has been a lot and I can only spend, an hour or two cleaning. Otherwise it'll take me all day long. And this part goes pretty fast because everything has a spot. So once everything has a spot, it makes putting things away and organizing that much easier. Think I'm due for a makeup declutter video sometime soon. I just have a lot of stuff that I haven't used in a while, a lot of stuff that there's maybe not much left that can just be decluttered. And the area is starting to get over full again. So if you've seen some of my other videos, you know that these two drawers are pretty much what I limit my collection to. I do have some other stuff like collectibles, backups that are in a different area, but I really try to limit it to this space so that it doesn't get out of control. So that's gonna be it for this cleaning video. I feel like I got a lot done. I'm really excited. Normally I run out of steam pretty quickly. I felt like I was able to keep the pace going. I'm happy with what I got done. So now I'm going to probably list some items on Poshmark. I'll probably do it this week. I'm a little tired right now, but thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.